when you've created your account, you'll be taken to this page, which is where you can add a farm. And there's a few different ways you can add that, all of which are trying to save you time and save you having to draw any field boundaries. So if you're in England, that's the easiest way. You can just type in your SBI number for a farm. It'll check that that's a valid SBI, and you can just name your farm. Then you just click Let's Get Digging. And I'll show you how it works in Scotland or Wales. There's two options. One is you can add a shapefile, so you can download that from the government website and upload that information, which will bring in the map of your farm. Or if you're in Scotland and Wales, we also have a kind of way you can select the farm boundaries. I'll show you that in Scotland, but it works exactly the same way in Wales. You just zoom in to where your farm is, and you just find the fields. Make sure you're zoomed in enough. Find the fields, and this uses Ordnance Survey data to pull out all the field boundaries within the kind of within the picture. So it's just finding those now. You can do that multiple times. You can zoom in into a different location and also pull the fields there if needed. And then it will show you all those fields, and you just select the ones that are relevant for your farm. So say that was my farm. I'm going to save those fields. I'm going to add in the customer reference number or the business reference number, add in a farm name. Let's get digging. And now this process is the same whether you added a shapefile or the SBI number. It'll always take, you can play worm while you wait. And this is scraping all the data for that farm so that we've preloaded a lot of the information you need for soil, manure, or nutrient management plans. And you can see now that the farm has been added.